cameras. Oh, this is Harrison. Harrison. My camera. Okay, that's just old. This is zooming on him. Hi, Harrison. And hi, David. And hi, BB. And hi, Violet. Hi, Harrison again. And look at the food. Who put this in here? It's moldy. Put some moldy stuff in here. What is that? It's like moldy now. You can put this moldy apple in here. Like, give me this old apple in here. It's probably going to be moldy soon. That sage is fine. I think that's sage. I don't really know. You can do some water. I got some food. Some more food up there. Those vegetables are really what they eat. They haven't really done anything yet. I'm like, why is there a veg? Who the heck put this in here? Do we even need that? I don't even know if I need that, but here's look at the camera. Okay, you're just posing for it. Yeah, I just gotta pose. Just gotta pose, don't ya? Well, see you later.